hanging around with bug brain layabouts like you.
Oh! Red light. Red light again. Immediate clearance! Request immediate clearance! Oh!
Keep going. Crysta.
Bless your heart with magic light. I give the gift of fairy sight.
Oh, what a strange little bug.
I did it. I did it.
Oh, gravity works. Primary testing laboratory. No! Pass the probe. Graduate students, all gather forward. No!
Love the haircut.
And where are you from?
I just blew in from a biology lab. I'm back and I'm flapping free. Let me tell you a story, and it's all about... Yo, the name is Batty. The logic is erratic. Potato in a jacket. Toys in the attic. I rock and I ramble. My brain is scrambled. Wrapped like an animal, but I'm a mammal. All of our cosmetics are non-carcinogenic. I've been brain fried, electrified, infected and injectified, vivisectified, and fed pesticide. My face is all cut up cause my radar's all shut up. Nurse, I need a checkup from the neck up. I'm Batty.
It seems to have no effect, Doctor.
Get me another one. Get me another animal.
They used and abused me, battered and bruised me. Red wires, green wires, stuck 'em right through me. So hear my Batty word and exercise a little prudence when dealing with humans.
Humans?
Where? No. Lucy!